Good morning, welcome to the class. In the last class, we are discussing about what are the causes of business risk. Yes, we know about what is business risk and what are the causes of risk. What is business risk? Business risk is possibilities of inadequate profit or loss, even unexpected event and uncertainties. Yes, unexpected event and uncertainties leads to loss of a business. So we know about business risk. Then causes of risk. Causes of risk, natural causes. We are little control over natural calamities. Natural calamities leads to heavy loss of life, property and income of the business. Then human causes. Human beings are lazy, dishonesty, misbehave and inefficiency, and doing some strike leads to business risk. Then economical causes are demand and supply of goods and services, competition, changes in technology, changes in taste and preferences of the customer, and taxation policy leads to business risk. Then other causes like political disturbance and mechanical failure like boiler bursting, and then exchange rate fluctuation leads to business risk. So these are all the causes we already know about. Yes, to overcome that causes, to control over that causes, what are all the methods we are using for that? In this class we are discussing. Okay, ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತು ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾವು. ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಸಸ್ ಏನಿತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಓವರ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆ ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಲಾಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಟು ಡೀಲ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಟು ರಿಸ್ಕಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ತುಂಬಾ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಇರುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಟು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಟು ನಾಟ್ ಗೋ ಟು ರಿಸ್ಕಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ರಿಸ್ಕಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ we should upgrade our technology day by day. So already we are given the example in the market 5G is enters, but we are using 4G network. So we want to upgrade as per the market technology. What is the technology is upgraded as per, we are also upgraded our product, and then we reduced risky transactions. So in the river areas and in some causes areas, we avoid to transfer and transaction in that places. Okay, first one is decide not to enter. Decide not to enter too risky transaction. Too risky transaction. Okay. Then second one, take prevent. Yes, second method to overcome the risk is take preventive measures. Preventive measures to overcome the business risk. To measures. Okay, what are the measures we are taken to overcome the risk? To fit a fire fitting instruments in a business premises. So ನಾವು ಅಗ್ನಿ ನಂದಿಸುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಉಪಕರಣಗಳನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಮಿಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ದ ಫೈರ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಕರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ overcome that risk. Then we should take preventive measures like upgrade our technology and then give better quality, better quantity for the price, and then reduce the cost of production. When cost of production is reduced, the price is reduced. Okay, how we are taken preventive measures, on the basis we are reduce the risk. Okay, then third method for dealing the risk. Third method for dealing the risk is take insurance policy. Take insurance policy. So when we are taken the insurance policy, the burden of the business risk is reduced. The burden of business risk we can easily transfer to insurance company. Okay, so we can take up the insurance policy like in life insurance policy, life insurance. Second one, fire insurance, goods insurance, goods insurance. Fourth one, marine insurance. Etc. We can take life insurance for human resources as working in our business, fire insurance for overall the business, then goods insurance for what we have produced, what are all the materials we have, for that we are taken goods insurance. Marine insurance for if we are transfer goods from sea, and that time we can take marine insurance, and we can take vehicle insurance. So many insurance are offered by the insurance company. We can easily take and we can easily transfer the burden of risk to insurance company. When the accident occurs, on that time the risk taken by insurance company. Okay, so ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪನಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅರ್ಥಕ್ವೇಕ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಫೈರ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಈ ತರ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಕಾಸಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಮಗೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ರಿಸ್ಕ್ನ ತುಂಬಿಸ್ಕೊಡುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಇಂದ ಓವರ್ಕಮ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ fourth point or fourth method of dealing the risk is share risk with other enterprises or manufacturer. Share risk with other manufacturer or enterprises. So here we can easily transfer the risk with other manufacturer and enterprises or wholesalers or any other enterprises with the agreement of sharing a profit and loss. So Now when we are starting a business, on that time we can getting the share capital from another persons, so on that time we can easily transfer the profit and loss. So we can tie up with other manufacturer, or we can tie up with the enterpriser or distributor or dealers or any wholesaler. We can easily transfer the risk to other person also. Okay. So these are the some methods for dealing the risk in a business. Okay, first method is decide not enter into too risky transaction. Don't go for risky transaction. For we are moving in a easy transaction, we can get small size of risk and we can easily overcome from that. Then take preventive measures like fire fittings and some upgradation or changes we can take in a business. Then take insurance policy. So every business, this is an important concept for insurance policy. Insurance policy like life insurance, fire insurance, goods insurance and marine insurance, vehicle insurance, etc. So if we are taken insurance policy, the burden of risk is easily transferred to insurance company or third person. Okay. Then fourth method is share risk with other manufacturer, enterpriser, wholesaler, dealer and some other person with the agreement of share of profit and losses in the beginning of the enterprises when he invests in share capital. Okay, this is all about methods dealing in risk. Okay, thank you.